I just I just bought this Dirt Devil Vision for $2 at a thrift store. And there was also a Dirt Devil Vision in the green color, but the blue one wasn't running. But I was told that this green one was. I just bought it at a thrift store. Um, so, and I'm gonna trust the woman that it is running. So let's go. So in a minute we'll go ahead and see if it fires up. Um, First of all, I want to tell you how I got this thing. So there was a couple of vacuums there, including the blue one, and I just didn't want any of those other vacuums, so I decided to take this one. Um, and it is bagless. And there was also a wind tunnel bagless, um, there was a Eureka, the Blue Dirt Devil of this, and a Kenmore. The bin was dirty when I got it. This filter was disgusting, but I got it cleaned up. And also, in the bin, there was a lot of crap in there. When I got this machine, it was in bad shape. The front wheels on the bottom, I'm going to show you in a second. I'm going to show you guys here for a minute. But you can see the axle, it does not turn the bottom wheels. And that is going to be a pain to fix. You can see right there. And we'll have to see what's wrong with that. Overall, it's a pretty nice machine. But of course, if we can't get that axle fixed, then I'll be pretty disappointed. So, now I'm going to move on to the attachments. So, the hose is what I really like on this thing. I have a Dirt Devil swivel glide at home, and it just has this handle right here. It's about the size as this. That's one thing I hate about this, because it doesn't have the handle, which gives you more comfort to use this. But the handle that I really like on it is the upright handle, because it's really comfortable. And so I first got it, and it was in very bad shape. It was dirty, nasty, but don't you guys believe this? It has 25% more suction than Bissell vacuum cleaners or Hoover. It's got, where's some of the attachments, the one and I'm going to show you the dusting brush here. I'm going to have to unwrap all the cord. There's the dusting brush. The one and the crevice tool came with it too, but the dusting brush, well, the turbo brush didn't come with it either. So, but, and of course, you can see the turbo brush is missing. So I don't know what it is with people throwing out vacuums. They just seem to feel that they need to keep the turbo brush, as if their next 80, like, this is probably an, well, like $100 or $80 vacuum won't come with one, or something. And guys, look at this handle. I love this handle. It's really comfortable. So yeah, we got her all plugged in. Let's run this thing. So anyways, I'll give it a run. It is a little smelly too. Not as smell. It is smellier than this thing. Than our shop vac. The shop vac is running, but it does have a problem with the motor. The bearings in the motor are bad. Because when I shut it off, you can hear like a groaning noise when it like powers down. So I'll have to see what's wrong with that. There's our attachment for it. So yeah, it is a pretty loud vacuum because it's just pretty loud because this is a small room, but it is quieter outside. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.